So today I'm about to show you how to search through uploaded documents in NotebookLM. First, open NotebookLM and enter the specific notebook holding your project files. Unlike standard keyword search tools that just look for exact letter matches, NotebookLM uses semantic search, meaning it understands the core meaning and concepts behind your words. To search across your documents, navigate straight to the chat bar at the bottom of the screen. Instead of typing a single word, type out a full question or concept, such as, what did our project managers say about the budget constraints last quarter? NotebookLM will instantly scan all of your active documents, extract the relevant passages, and summarize the answers for you. Every search result will include small, clickable blue citation numbers, and click those numbers and side panel will instantly pull up the exact page and paragraph where the information lives. Pro tip, if you want to isolate your search just a few specific documents, look over at your sources panel on the left side of your screen. Use the checkboxes to uncheck everything except the exact files you want to inspect. Now, when you run your search in the chat bar, NotebookLM will completely ignore the rest of your library and focus exclusively on indexing your selected documents. And that's it. That's how to search through uploaded documents in NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.